Hey guys, so it's a boob sack summer always. I'm rocking my True Lips in mocha with my Abercrombie jeans in 90 curve, and we're gonna pair it with this Keyhole shirt from Shein. Okay, so we're just gonna make an X, guys, and I'm gonna show you how. So normally I just go straight up, which is cool, but this way gave me lift on this side, and it ain't going nowhere, okay? So we're gonna start from the bottom and go right to the top because our shirt stops about right here. So we're gonna measure that much tape and we're gonna cut, cool? So now that we have cut, we are going to place our tape right at the bottom of our boob, and we are going to lift up just like that, okay? So we're gonna go from the bottom to the top just like that. Now we're gonna make an X. So just like you would make an X, you're gonna take a piece of tape and go from the bottom of your boob to the kind of like the corner of the top of that same boob. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Uh-oh, I've applied so much tape already. She didn't want to stay. Okay, right there. So now I'm gonna make an X. I'm gonna start from the bottom of this boob. Always lift, and I went straight across that boob, just like that, okay? And we're gonna duplicate that on the next side. Just like this. Okay, so you're gonna measure across just like that. We're gonna take our scissors, you need these. And we're gonna go across. Uh-oh. So you're gonna go across to this side here. So you're gonna go up, lift up on this boob, and go straight across like that. And that is how I achieve this maximum hold look. Now let's see how it looks with our Keyhole shirt. Okay. So we got a Keyhole shirt from Shein. I've already tried it on a couple times to make sure it was effective, and this is it. It's super cute. So this part is mesh, this part isn't. So I had to take my boobs to be able to wear the look. So I'm just gonna shimmy this bad boy on for you. Try to put it on effectively here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And we are lifted. We got our shirt on. We looking cute with our shirt on, with our boobs lifted. And there's not a trace of boob tape inside except for right there, which we know how to cut that off, okay? And then I'm gonna turn around to the back. And everything, like smooth in the back and everything. I love this boob tape. Y'all know it's a boob tape summer. We ain't wearing no bras this summer. And here's our boob tape. Order yours today. I'm wearing True Lip and Mocha. So order your Mocha boob tape today.